Hey everyone, if videos are not playing in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step methods to fix YouTube, streaming sites, and all video playback issues. First, videos may not play due to hardware acceleration issues, corrupted cache, outdated browser version, blocked cookies, or extension conflicts. Start with a simple refresh. Sometimes the video just fails to load temporarily. Next, restart the browser. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that can block video playback. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable internet can stop videos from loading. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can block videos. Yeah, disable all extensions and try again. Corrupted cache and cookies can prevent videos from loading properly. Clearing them often fixes playback instantly. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause video rendering issues. Yeah, turning it off can fix black screens or lagging videos. Some streaming sites require DRM support. Make sure DRM is enabled in Vivaldi settings. An outdated browser may not support modern video formats. Yeah, always update Vivaldi to the latest version. If videos work in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by an extension or corrupted cache. If nothing works, reset Vivaldi settings to default. This removes misconfigured settings causing playback issues. For smooth video playback, keep your browser updated, use fewer extensions, and restart Vivaldi regularly. A common mistake is blaming the website when the issue is actually caused by extensions or hardware acceleration, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix videos not playing in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.